All right, let's just go in with 30 to 40 ml of olive oil to the pot. And when it heats up, I'll just drop some onions in there to activate the flavor. And then next we'll go in with the chicken that I'll be using for this recipe. I'm using the thighs and the laps. So I'll just take them in there. It is well washed and I added no ingredients to it. I'll just let them to fry or steam in there for like 10 minutes and it will release its own proper juice. In fact, frying it with this onion without any ingredients will give a very beautiful flavor to your dish. Just give it a try and you will let me know how it came out. Of course, it will come out very well. So let's steam it for 10 minutes or fry it rather. So before the 10 minutes, I'll go ahead and flip it to the other side so that it will also fry to the upper part of it. At this time, I'm being so careful because the oil is hot, as you can see. It's just pumping up the oil and I'm careful so that I don't get any mark from that hot oil. This is what we go through while we're cooking in kitchen. If you are a mommy, you will relate with this experience running from hot oil. Did you see how they are pumping up? All right, let's leave it there to steam for the remaining 5 minutes. Let's go ahead with ginger and garlic paste. I have a onion, a half onion, and this ginger and garlic paste I supposed to put it in the chicken, but I don't want to put it because it is wet. If not, more oil will pop in. So I have half chopped onion, that is purple onions, and the pepper. I will just cut them and blend them. So I think it is better I should put the ginger and garlic inside the blender to blend them together. So after blending them, I'll just pour them on top of the chicken and the oil, and the frying become more intense. And this is another way in which your chicken will absorb the stew. And this is the only ingredients I added. I added half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of all seasonings stock, which is bouillon cube. Sorry, not 1 teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of bouillon cubes. I will just give it a little mix, stir it and cover it, and it will fry or steam for 15 minutes. So thereby we are still with 25 minutes with this cooking. On a low heat, please cover it and let it to steam there for more 15 minutes. And while it is there cooking, I'll be peeling my patata. So I like this patata even in the house. My family prepare patata than yam because sometimes you don't get good yam, and if you're eating them, in fact, buying yam here has never been my hobby. If it is from home, yes, it will be very nice. So we prefer patata or plantain. You can also use yam for this recipe. You would definitely love it, but this time I am using potato. All right, I will just go ahead and peel them and get them cut. I've already washed them. I just cut them in 4 like this, perfect size, and then take it to the stew. So the reason why I also like this recipe is it have less ingredients, just salt, Maggi, pepper, tomato, onion, garlic, and ginger. Less and simple, and you will find these ingredients at home all the time. So you just prepare this dish like this. All right, so you can see how it is boiling there. It has been there for 15 minutes now. So I'll just go ahead and pour my potato. Dropping it was just a waste of time. I will pour all of them in there and stir it. I will also be pouring in, the water that I use for the blending of the peppers and tomato. Just rinse it and pour it. And at this time, you will want to take your chicken on top of the tomato or the potato, cover it, let it continue cooking. Yeah, so we are going to cook for 15 more minutes, and this potato or this chicken and this thing took me about 50 minutes to prepare all together, because I will still cook it until the water dry. I will show you later. So I'll just go ahead, give it a very good stir. The chicken is cooked. Yes, I don't just want to get them, scattered, or to remove those fine beautiful skin there, so I'll be careful with it. All right, this is the first stage of the cooking. This is how my husband like it. He like it with soup like this. So I'm going to dish his own out now. If not, it will become a very thick porridge, and he doesn't like it like that. I actually like it this way, but not all the time. If it is cold, you will want to take it like this. And believe me, this dish was really spicy. That pepper that I added is warm, but it was really spicy. So the patata is very cooked. Yes, you can see the fork is just driving in there without any obstacle. It shows that it is cooked. I just dish his own for him. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching till up to this stage. You are so supportive. Thank you. If you always watch any video and watch it to the end, you are so supportive. Yeah, that is also how I do. You have to support from the heart. This is very nice. So please do give the video a thumbs up. Yes, give it a thumbs up if you like it. I'll go ahead and put the chicken on top, and now I will also design it or pour some sauce or soup on top of it. And this was very nice. Try this or give it a try. Less ingredients, but very delicious. And the chicken tasted natural goodness. Yes, sometimes we add a lot of ingredients to our food. We don't even know the taste of the chicken again. Reduce it. Sometimes you will really enjoy it. Yes. All right, this is it. His own is ready. And next, I allow it to cook again until it is dried like this. This is how I like my own. I like it like this, porridge. So which one do you like? The soupy one or the porridge one? Let me know in the comment section which one you like. Thank you so much. I really appreciate, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.